Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're back here at InterDrone 2018, looking at all the latest and greatest drone technology that's out there. This drone is for mapping. It's LiDAR.
Are you with? What are you?
So many are now into the business of it. Luminaire. Vintage robotics.
Yeah. If you drive Interstate 10 across Texas, it will take you 8 minutes.
Autopilot drone. Drone wing.
Yeah, I said it was like a VTOL version.
Do you want to mention anything else?
And then, so I'm a developer for the autopilot, but we
there's
also
a
make
smart
that
one.
aircraft.
High-tech solutions.
That aircraft.
That's something you need to subscribe to. Smart idea. Have you been long on the market? Have you been long on the market or just recently? I'm live.
We have been around since '96, so 22 years in existence. We've been around a long time.
And that's when I left IBM. So it's, let's see, young, kind of getting established. Thank you.
Right.
A lot of them are using the 3D glasses, which I thought was interesting, and using the headsets. I want to get into more of that if possible. And of course, you have to have your drone insurance. If you don't, you're nuts. So make sure all of you go to droneinsurance.com. I can't tell you how many times I've been down to the ocean and the new guy is flying his drone out off the water, and guess what? It never comes back. Yeah, exactly. And the wife is on the sand going, "Where's your $1,000 drone, honey?" And he goes, "It's out there somewhere." Pretty soon we're going to have drone fishermen. So make sure you get insurance. Oh, look at this, an outdoor charging pad. That's smart. You can set that anywhere. That's from SkySense. Cordless scene.
So what do you guys do?
All construction engineering.
Sorry,
Amazing.
We have two family cores in Inspire one right here is like just the basic.
Instantly set up.
Yeah, so these 4 mounts right there. So that was like.
Oh, and our all-time favorite, Mavic Air. We're going to go over there as soon as I look at this one. Gasoline powered. That's smart. Especially for surveyors. Let's take a look at drone Mavericks. Look at that. Almost every TV show now uses drones. You might as well. It gives you a different perspective and it keeps the cost way down of filming.
Pretty well.
Yeah. So let's show you one more of the drone. Oh, that was it. Blink, don't blink. There it is. It's one drone photographing another drone.
Check us out yet?
And I know where that is. California.
No, I'm just here as a animal. Just say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, are you a drone enthusiast or?
Oh, we were already at B&H, so that means we got to go down this aisle. There's the gas-powered one. Fruity shoots. I definitely recommend those, depending on how much money you're spending. You want to make sure it definitely comes back. Infrared and camera. That's nice.
You want to see
Look
it
at
too?
you, look at we're broadcasting live, and I'm not going to show you my ugly mug.
It can track you
The
down.
technology.
It can track you.
Oh, it's tracking me.
Yeah.
Good, just what I want, being a tame. The police will do that. Thank you. This is a beautiful rig too. Gimbal. So let's do this. We'll be back in a couple of minutes. Stick with us. JT at Polito for Sync Media Network on YouTube,
Three lenses.
LinkedIn,
35mm.
Facebook. Let us know what you want us to see. JT at Polito for Sync Media Network. We'll be right back.